Raukura, Tara, Pat, Patricia, Pat, Dennis. My father was Martina Kaipo Pohatu, my mother was Wharengai or Swan. My mother had me at home. All the mothers had their babies at home. So I was born in our house. We used to live just over here behind the marae. Yeah, that's where I was born. I'm the number 6 or 7 of 14 children. The oldest one, I had one, Mum had a son before marriage. Dooley was her son. He was a whaichiri, his father was a whaichiri, so he's my half brother. Now the oldest one from my dad, my mum and dad, was Mihaka, Martine, Mami, Tamachi, Dave, Rebecca, me, Raukura, Shumai. Then my mother had the twins, Mere and Trixie. Then Whakautu, Ben, Hui Hui, and then Tama. We had a big house, one of those very high ceiling house, old house. And we had a veranda right around, and my father partitioned the front veranda. It was 4 rooms because there were so many of us, and it was good. We all fitted in somewhere, but yeah, it was a lovely big house and a big block of land. Yeah, because we had an orchard attached to the house. Yeah, I remember the orchard tree, the pear trees, the peaches and everything. Yeah. My pauas, grandmothers, Naikiha and Karumohichi. Naikiha was my grandmother, Karumohichi was her sister. They were the old kuias. Karumohichi was the grumpy one, and my paua was calm. Shuman and I would go and sleep with her, and she used to sleep on the floor on a mat, whareki, and a mattress for us. But she used to take us there, and we had to go to bed early, and I hated that because it would be still daylight. But she used to get up early, and she made the best Maori bread, rewana bread, my paua. And she never used electric stove, she cooked outside. Her and her sister Nanny Pat, they were the last of the mokos. There's a book out, The Last of the Mokos. That photo is in there, and they were one of the last ones had the moko. Mrs. Black, who was the doctor up at Pakohai. All these old queers. And they would go there for afternoon tea, and she had a beautiful garden. All the old people used to go there for afternoon tea, and they would come back with cuttings of flowers. When I was growing up, Murua was a beautiful place, absolutely beautiful. The whole place, all along there, we used to have dahlias. My grandparents, my paua and them, this marae was beautiful. I think all our parents competed against each other for the garden. My mother had a beautiful garden all along. Auntie Tahi and them, all just beautiful, and right down to where the Kōrero lived. On both sides, the homes were well looked after, the grounds were well. As I say, they competed with flowers. A lot of it came from the old people. It's not like that today.